Okay, let's crochet the lid for the pot. We will crochet with green yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Wrap the yarn as we learned before. The stitch pattern for the lid is the same as the first 2 rounds of our pot. The difference is that we're using a single strand of yarn for it. Let's start by preparing the initial position and then crochet round 1. Make a slip knot and chain 2. Next, we are going to crochet 14 double crochet stitches inside our magic ring. This is the first double crochet stitch. Mark the first stitch with stitch marker. The second double crochet. The third double crochet. We need to crochet a total of 14 double crochet stitches for this round. Please pause here and complete the remaining 12 double crochet stitches by yourself. Great! We have completed the 14 double crochet stitches. Then, pull the loop tight, making sure to leave a small hole in the center while tightening the loop. Then make a slip stitch and fasten off. Round 1 finished. Now let's crochet the second round. Start by making 3 chain stitches. Just like the pot, for the second round, we will still be crocheting 2 double crochet stitches in each stitch. Now, crochet the first double crochet in the first stitch. Mark it with stitch marker. Crochet the second double crochet stitch in the same stitch. Let me show you again. Crochet 2 double crochet stitches in the second stitch hole. Please pause here and complete the remaining double crochet stitches on your own. Remove the stitch marker, slip stitch, and fasten off. Finally, we need to leave a longer tail of yarn, about 40 centimeters long. Cut the yarn and fasten off. The long tail will be used to sew the lid and pot together during the final assembly. Congratulations! The lid is completed. Please practice making more lids for different styles of hanging plants using the appropriate colored yarn. If you have any problems during crocheting, please feel free to contact us via email. We will reply to you as soon as we receive it.